na gid siya as a teacher. No severe pain, no fatigue, no vomiting. Because after nag-take man siya sa atong product, the Intra and the Nutria. So, instead, amidst pain after her death, instead of grieving, amidst pain, I opted to do the business because I want to advocate health and wellness. Hindi basta-basta pag may magkasakit sa pamilya. My retirement was exhausted due to her illness. Dahil tayo mga Pilipino, the value of health is not being appreciated until sickness comes among the members of the family. So that's my advocacy for this time. Me and my family, positive good me to do the business just to be able to help others, especially in advocating, prioritizing health among family members. So I would like to thank my uplines, my mentors, Ma'am Ben,